Hi everyone, welcome to Spentarn Learning Platform. And today we are coming with the new playlist, and it is the playlist for the PL300 certification, in which we will be discussing about the Power BI platform, which is powered by the Microsoft. And here we will be looking forward to excel this Power BI and to become the data analyst. Because when you know the Power BI, you will be having the different career options open for you. So here we will be going ahead with the Power BI and excelling the PL300 certification. And we'll get to know how we can clear this PL300 certification and get eligible for different companies. And we'll be getting to know that why these data roles are very, very important for nowadays. So let's move ahead and start this playlist. We are already going through another playlist of Cloud Petitioner AWS that you should definitely check out. And here's the another playlist for Power BI to become a data analyst. So let's go ahead. I'm your instructor, Puneet Vashistha, and the founder of Spentarn Doctor Oil and Tuition Friend. And I've been certified with AWS Azure and Oracle. I'm the ex-president of VLSI Club and currently working as a developer at Cognizant Technology Solutions. So this is our playlist in which this is our first video, and I want this playlist to be very short so that you do not have to check out another material from anywhere else. So this is the playlist which will make you excel with the Power BI. So we will be going to know in this first video how we can proceed with the data analyst role with the Power BI. The first and most important thing is what is the benefit of data analyst role? As the first point itself saying high demand. Can you imagine the world without data? Right now you have Instagram, you have YouTube, you have Facebook, everything which is working on your mobile having some data, right? So that data, that particular data, if a company wants to use, how they can use that? There comes the major role for data analyst who used to analyze the data. So data is the king nowadays. Do you know companies used to put so many efforts to have the privacy for their data? Why? Because data is very crucial nowadays and data can do anything. If you have data of the people, you can do anything. So similarly, if you are good at data analysis, you are having the high demand. Because if you can analyze the data, you can find out the trends, you can visualize the data for the business benefits, definitely you are having the demand in the market. Because ultimately you are helping the businesses and businesses are growing with the help of you. So that is why they are definitely going to pay you more. Now, this is the better salary that I've already explained. If you are helping them by analyzing the data, by giving them the insights of the market trends, then definitely you will be having the handsome salary than other people who is working in the IT or any other field. So now one important thing is data analyst is required everywhere in every field, whether it is medical, whether it is education, whether it is engineering. We have a lot of developers like Java, Python, right? But they are related to a particular field, that is IT field, right? But if you are a data analyst, you can work with the hospital, you can work with the school by finding the current trends. What are the requirements right now for the students, right? What are the requirements for the parents? What are the requirements for the patients, right? So that is how you can help the hospitals, you can help out the schools and colleges to have the benefit in their particular business, right? So that is how you will be having the better salary than others and having the high demand. Apart from that, the major important thing is it is user friendly. If you will give some time to it, you will get friendly with it. You will get a lot of things inside it, right? And you will become master of it. Then versatile. Versatile means it is having everything in place, whether you are using MS SQL Server, whether you are using AWS Redshift, everything is available with the Power BI to integrate, to connect, to have the data inside it, right? Important thing is it will be having the end-to-end data solutions and easy transition to other roles if you are looking forward to have the more excelled career in the data, then you can go ahead with the Power BI as the initial phase for your career, and then you can move ahead to data scientist or data engineer with the help of this Power BI only. Right? It is very, very much easy to have the transition in the career from this particular role. Then real time insights for decision making, as we have already given you the insights that if you are good at data analysis, definitely you will be helping the business. You will be giving them the insights that yes, this is the trend upcoming in the market, or this was the trend in the previous year at this particular time. So they can spend accordingly in the market and can generate the revenue, right? So that is how you are helping the different companies, and those companies, if they get benefited out of you as the data analyst, then definitely they will be ready to pay you, right? Now, another thing is the flow of this course. So, we will be dividing this course into five major parts. First is getting started with data analytics. In the next video, we'll be get to know what is data analysis, what are the a different type of data analysis. Then prepare data in Power BI. We will be getting to know that how we can prepare the data, how we can load the data into the Power BI, how we can connect to the different kind of sources to have the data into the Power BI. Then model the data. In the third module, we will be looking forward for the model the data, modeling the data. Then fourth one is analyze the data, whether it is by visualizing it or any other techniques we have. Then fifth one is manage assets in Power BI. Assets is nothing but your reports. If you want to share it, if you want to manage it, everything will be looking forward in the fifth part, right? And this is all about this video. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you have any of the doubt, you can comment it out in this comment box. I'll be putting these videos in this playlist to be very short so that it would be concise and so much clear to you and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much.